Welcome everybody to Fordham Road. There's my hand, in case you wanted to see it. This is the kitchen. Lots of big light here with these nice big windows. Then you go over here to the living room. Perfect, everything that you need. A little bit of storage, but also utility closet here. Here is a bedroom with a closet, a 4-piece bath. And then we're walking down the hallway and there's the laundry room, and we'll get back to that. This is another bedroom and it's massive, so it could actually have 2 people. And then this is a giant closet. So right now they use it as an office, but it can definitely fit 2 beds if you want. Room divider, whatever you want. So this is your front door. There's the laundry room. And then you walk out here and it goes into the garage that you walk through, and there's your own entrance. So the laundry is shared, so it's just communication between the upstairs and the downstairs. The hot tub will not be available. This is the upstairs tenants, part of the upstairs tenants outside space. This is your outside space. So it's a little patch of grass. It's nice. It's fenced. There's more work to be done over there, but it's still a nice outside space for you. And then you walk around here. So this is your entrance, okay? And you walk down this little walkway. We're walking. And you always have to be reminded to pull, because I always push. Little gate. As you can see, there's tons of parking. So these vehicles are the current upstairs tenant. There's parking right there. There's 2 parking spots right here. The garage will be occupied by the upstairs tenant. But you walk along here and it's got, you know, look, there's more parking spots, and there's parking down this way. So parking is not an issue. It's included in the rent. Utilities, internet are included in the rent, and garbage. And the only thing you have to do is take care of your little outside space. So this is a great property, really nice, safe neighborhood. I'll give another walk over here real quick just to show you. As you walk up here, you go to the right. There are multiple hiking trails. And again, it's super safe. It's like 4 blocks from OKM High School, close to bus routes, close to just everything that you need. And beautiful bluebird day here in Kelowna. And if you want more information, you need to reach out. Thank you. Bye.